Alrighty. This is day 5. Cold Bastard 20 quart review. And we're finna look in here and see again here how much ice we got left. Day 5. Not bad. And it is cold. Good God, it is cold. I'm gonna come back and do some more reviews. I'm gonna get some more Cold Bastard coolers, the bigger ones, and do the test on them. But pretty good cooler, man. Pretty good cooler. It is cold. It's so cold I can't hardly keep my hand in it. And on this one, remember now, I didn't do the pre-chill on it. So if I do the pre-chill on it, you probably get a good 6 days, maybe 7. So Cold Bastard cooler review, 20 quart. We wrapping it up, and hey, I can say pretty good cooler. Ooh, that's cold. So she went 5 days, and that's without the pre-chill. So compared to Yeti, pretty good cooler. Pretty good. So y'all check them out, coldbastard.com. Alrighty. Just wrapping it up, day 5.